Tra-la-la-la, what a happy day. Have a wonderful day at school, sweetie.
Thanks!
See you later, everyone.
Yay! School time! Race you to the door! I'm faster than you!
Hurry up! The playground is waiting! This is gonna be so much fun!
What's mine is mine, and what's yours is about to be mine. Are you all right?
Don't worry, I'm right here. You're gonna be okay.
I need emergency services at the sports field immediately. There's been a serious incident. Please send help now.
Vitals are dropping fast. We need to stabilize her now.
I'm administering the epi. Hang on, little one. We're almost there.
Vitals are unstable. We need to stabilize him now.
I have the syringe ready. Administering fluids immediately.
Hello, police. I need help. I'm at the city hospital. Something bad happened. He had a big floppy hat and a really wicked grin. He drove a red sports car. He turned left on Main Street.
All units, we have a confirmed sighting. Proceeding code 3 to the school. Backup requested.
Freshly picked this morning, students. Only the best for my favorite customers.
Oh, I want one. They look so good.
Freeze! Get your paws where I can see them!
We have you surrounded.
Explain this hidden compartment immediately.
That's just my special sauce, I swear.
You have the right to remain silent. It's over.